The 44 mag got you running like a fag. So keep your motherfucking toes, cause I'm that nigga with a fresh pair of lokes. No jokes, but smokes, crackers and them dirty knockers. Friends on knockers, get you for your drugs. Young nigga got a kill for the can't stop me. M.I.G. I got proof. Bang in my youth. Keep niggas on the roof with a smoke. Go. Q keep the woke. Pop swing a nigga up. It's a mob go. So what's up, punk? You want what I got? Step me wrong. Fuck around and get shot. Your mom crying. Fuck up. Bust up. Bitch talk crazy to me. And I'm dust up. Pop's got the LP back. Track on hit. Laid by the motherfucking Bobcat. 93 suckers want me to go out. Throw the hoe out. Bitch motherfucker, I'm rich. Mama ain't raised no suckers. Damn well, don't you know you need your ass kicked. Real you when it was niggas in the casket. Motherfucker rednecks on the page. Be a real nigga if he ain't going to change. That's why we burn shit right. Cause the fuck police ain't learned shit yet. Motherfuckers gonna play the right. Can't make the black light, don't take the black light the sun. The next real nigga fall back. Track, till every girl rocks with the ball head. We prepared for the smoke and bust. What niggas need to do is start looking up. United States, the bottom fall. One nigga when they can't take the soul. Let's come home with the Mexicans. And we can all have beats on the sex again. Keeping the smiles off they white face. I ain't racist, but let's take places. Place the hate and erase it. One nigga teach, two niggas, three teach, four niggas. And them niggas teach more niggas. And when we blast it, it'll be the biggest blast. And them is my last words.
Mr. Shakur, can you please explain the meaning behind your violent lyrics?
Explain the meaning? Fuck these niggas talking about. Damn!
Please! I said freeze you forever, black son of a bitch!
My attitude is shit. My message to the censorship committee. The biggest gang of niggas in the city. The critics are the cops. The hawks are the crooks. Don't look shook. Take a closer look. Niggas get they neck bumped daily, trying to stay jail free. What the fuck is real? Knowing young black males please tell me. Message to the censorship committee. The biggest gang of niggas in the city. I pack a 9mm cause I gotta live it hotter than the 4th of July. If I gotta die, I got it. Mama told me don't let me fade. Nigga don't let her make you crazy. Game is what she gave me. Gotta watch your back strap. Real niggas left back. You get your ass taxed. Bring the cat back. That's not the way we made it. That's just the way it is. Fighting problems, better niggas get it. I came up with a message to the censorship committee. Who's the biggest gang of niggas in the city? Cops for me, I'ma check my face, but I'm legal. You couldn't get me, figure fuck with a nigga's people. They got me trapped, cat with the motherfucking hammer back. Comes from my back, just cause I'm black. Snap now, message to the censorship committee. Who's the biggest gang of niggas in the city? All you punk police will never fall peace on the streets. So the niggas get a piece, fuck them. The king took control. Bang, top dollar when you sold. Real niggas don't fold, straight slug. Can't find peace on the streets, so the niggas get a piece. Fuck police, hear them screaming, fuck them. Can't find peace on the streets, so the niggas get a piece. Fuck police, I hear them screaming, fuck them. Can't find peace on the streets, so the niggas get a piece. Fuck police, I hear ya, fuck them. Can't find peace on the streets, so the niggas get a piece. Fuck police, I hear ya, fuck them. Can't find peace on the streets, so the niggas get a piece. Fuck police, I hear ya, fuck them. Can't find peace on the streets, so the niggas get a piece. Fuck police, I hear ya, fuck them. Can't find peace on the streets, so the niggas get a piece. Fuck police, I hear ya, fuck them. Motherfucker.
so sweet. Now his guitar's Cadillac, hillbilly music, lonely, lonely streets I call home. Yeah, my guitar's Cadillac, hillbilly music, lonely thing that keeps me hanging on. Ain't no glamour in this tinsel land, lost, wasted life. Ain't the girl all left me. All the Frankie's girls teaching me brand new ways to be true. Find this mine now, I guess I'll just leave. And his guitar's Cadillac, hillbilly music, lonely, lonely streets I call home. Yeah, my guitar's Cadillac, hillbilly music, lonely thing that keeps me hanging on. Guitars, Cadillac, hillbilly music, lonely, lonely streets I call home. Yeah, my guitar's Cadillac, hillbilly music, lonely thing that keeps me hanging on. The only thing that keeps me hanging on. It's the only thing that keeps me hanging on.
Quite often I get to thinking how as kids we got by. Like at Christmas time at our house, we couldn't even afford a fire. But we made do with what we had back then when I was young. Dad used to suck a peppermint, we'd all sit around his tongue. We couldn't afford no fancy tinsel for our Christmas tree, so we'd just wheel our granddad in and make the old cunt sneeze. But things change pretty bloody quick. I've got kids now of my own, and I heard them unwrap their prezzies last night when I got home. Hey, Santa Claus, you cunt! Where's me fucking bike? I've unwrapped all this other junk and there's nothing that I like. I wrote your fucking letter and I come to see you twice. You worn out geriatric bunch, you forgot me fucking bike. If I'd have wanted a pair of bloody socks, I would have bloody asked. And this cowboy suit and ping pong set you could shove right up your ass. You stuck me bloody order up, it's enough to make you stew. But it's not just me who's snaky, mate, me sister's dirty too. Hey, Santa Claus, you cunt, where's me fucking pram? You promised me you'd send me one, and you remember who I am? 'Cause I'm the little girl what you made sit right on your hand. I'll give you fucking ho-ho-ho, you forgot me fucking pram. Next time I come to see, I'm gonna punch you in the guts, and I'll let your fucking reindeer loose, kick Rudolph in the nuts. Yeah, you just wait till next year till you get back to that store. And me and me little sister come stomping through the door, I will say. Hey, mums and dads, just smell his breath and check his bloodshot eyes. And don't listen to him, boys and girls, 'cause he tells fucking lies. He's just a piss tank and a pervert. He's not even very bright, 'cause the old fucking wanker forgot me fucking bike. Hey, Santa Claus, you cunt, where's me fucking bike? I've unwrapped all this other junk and there's nothing that I like. I wrote your fucking letter and I come to You worn out geriatric bastard, I got me fucking bike! I'll dump you in your cunt. I'll tell me old man on you and punch your fucking lights out. I saw Mummy sucking Santa Claus.
Oh, it's a lonesome away from your kindred and all, by the campfire at night, whatever wilding goes call. But there's nothing so lonesome, more than all drear, than to stand in the bar of a pub with no beer. Now the publican's anxious for the closer to come, and there's a faraway look on the face of the bum. The mate's gone all cranky, and the cook's acting queer. Oh, what a terrible place is a pub with no beer. Then the stockman rides up with his dry, dusty throat. He breasts up to the bar and pulls a wad from his coat. But the smile on his face quickly turns to a sneer as the barman says sadly, the pub's got no beer. Then the swaggy comes in, smothered in dust and flies. He throws down his roll and rubs the sweat from his eyes. But when he is told, he says, what's this I hear? I've trudged 50 blaming miles to a pub with no beer. Now there's a dog on the veranda, for his master he waits. But the boss is inside, drinking wine with his mates. He hurries for cover, and he cringes in fear. It's no place for a dog, round the pub with no beer. And old Billy the blacksmith, the first time in his life, why he's gone home cold sober than his darling wife. He walks in the kitchen, she says you're early, big dear. But then he breaks down and tells her the pub's got no beer. Oh, it's hard to believe that there's customers still, but the money's still tinkling in the old ancient till. The wind-ups are happy, and I know they're sincere when they say they don't care if the pub's got no beer. So it's a lonesome away from your kindred and all, by the campfire at night, whatever wilding goes call. But there's nothing so lonesome, more than your drear, than to stand in the bar of that pub with no beer.
Thank